at the Bushcraft Show.
Yay!
We finally made it. Hang on, let me open this.
I've already opened mine. Too slow.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So, not really done proper videos of the Bushcraft Show. It's just been shots of stuff that's been going on. So we might try something different this year. As you can see, I'm here with Carl, Hazzard Outdoors. Kingfisher Bushcraft are here as well. He's got stickers. My banner's up. We're plugging big time this year. Yeah, I'll show you around camp in a minute, but yeah, we're here. I'm going to do a corned beef hash in a bit. There's more people joining us later, so hopefully this should be an interesting few days and a good video.
I'm really looking forward to it.
This is your first Bushcraft show,
yep.
So
yeah, I am a virgin technically, so yeah, I'm
not anymore.
Forward to it. Oh yeah, I've broken my cherry. Only 42. Yeah,
took long enough, but yeah, we got there in the end.
Yeah.
And I have the same neighbours I've had for the last two shows just over there, which is great. They saved us this spot, so might see them a bit later as well.
Yep.
But yeah, promises to be a good one. Stay tuned.
Definitely nice. Yeah. Exactly.
I love this kind of quote that I just made up. That we don't have a choice kind of what happens to us. Life can happen to us, but we can define how, we can choose how it defines us. We can choose how we react to situations.
Oh, you'll have a life jacket on. Yeah, I'll try and show you a few stores. Early night then, mate. Are you on the race on about fucking 7 or 8 already? What then? You're hitting it now. You fucking speak tune.
So it's now Sunday, and I haven't done much filming in terms of me walking around and talking, but I'm just going to do a little bit now to show around the camp. So this is our camp here. Oh, just over here, this way is our neighbours who we camp with the last 3 shows now. Mark and James, lovely guys. So yeah, just going to run you around quick. Maria's hammock set up there. We're all slowly starting to pack up. It's looking a bit of a mess because we had rain last night, so we moved everything under the tarp. I'm in the old Dutch Army. That's Maria with a coffee. Carl packing up, and he's gone double lavu with a tarp over the top. And a quite good bit of space in there. We are now just having coffee and a bit of breakfast, and then going to head down to the arena again.
I keep going to brush my hair at the eyes.
Now that's a proper jeep.
That's massive.
Look at that. Coffee cup of the morning.
Oh yeah. Hopefully he just holds his shirt.
Sorry?
Hopefully he doesn't like crack.
Hello again. It's good to see you, my friend.
Very hot,
Ed's very hot.
and we are now pretty much the last car to leave the field.
I think we are the last actually stayer to leave the field.